What's up, guys?
Oh wait, I don't know how to start it.
It's recording.
Oh.
What is that woman wearing?
I don't know.
What's
Her
up, guys?
Slut suit.
My new tires just came in. They're at my buddy's house. I'm gonna go pick them up, get them mounted. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna get a lot done. I'm really excited. This is one step closer. I've been like waiting on these for a while. And this is my happy face. Abby's with me. She's coming along for the ride. She's gonna be helping me out filming and keeping me company because, as many of you know, it's kind of a, oh my god, I'm about to die, exhausting process getting tires mounted and things like that. It takes a little while. What's up, guys? So, these are my new tires. These are, say it,
Yokohama.
Advan.
Novos.
Advan Novos. And these are pretty much the stickiest tire that you can buy for the street. These are incredible tires. And I'm super excited. I was doing all the research and then I reached out to Yokohama and they said that they were interested in the channel and they liked what I was doing. So they sent me a set to review for you guys. And I am beyond excited to do this. So, as you just saw, my buddy put him in the garage for me. That was the first time I saw him. I was
overjoyed.
over the moon, you would say. Your head's
Oh, my head isn't in there. That is it.
I have the two 225s for the front and the two 245s for the rear. We're gonna go get them mounted now. And pretty much it's just as me taking the wheels off, throw them in the car, in the Jeep, and then I'll probably throw these on top and strap them down or something. And then we'll go get them mounted. Yes, finally. We need some good heat to put all the power to the wheels, or power to the ground, and this is about as good as it gets. Running anything like stickier than this, and you're pretty much on like drag slicks or race only tires. Gotta calm myself down. Let's do it, babe.
It looks like a sumo wrestler. Hold on, let me turn it. Let me try like this. This is better. Squat more.
Can you put it on top of the Jeep?
Oh my god, no. It's about 30 feet high. I'm exhausted. Hey guys, so we got the call from the shop and they said that the tires are ready for us to pick them up. So we're gonna go, we're pretty excited. It's a beautiful day here in Texas. It's only like 80 degrees as opposed to like a million, so that's really nice. So we're gonna go get them. We're pretty pumped about it. So we're in the final steps. We're really excited. And it was such a good deal.
Oh my god.
Ah! We're gonna die. I was probably just
Saw an opportunity and I took it.
I probably just made the worst face possible, but anyway.
Yeah, in the end, it only ended up being like 80 bucks to get all the tires dismounted, thrown away, and then mount all the new tires and balance them. So that's about 20 bucks a wheel. And I was pretty happy with that, actually. That was a good deal. I'm just gonna back up, get them loaded in.
But we're here now, so gonna get them on, or get them on, but sorry.
Look at that Jeep.
Get them in, I know.
It's got
I
Texas
know.
school. I didn't even notice that before. Cinematography.
I couldn't remember the word. Snippets.
Next I gotta mount them, and then we'll be ready to get it inspected, and then start doing road tuning, start taking it to shows and things like that. So expect to see it pretty soon. Ooh.
Your wheels? Update, I'm blonde! Can that be in the video?
Okay, last one. Last one, guys. This is the final take. Anyway, guys, so I've been driving the BMW around a little bit, sort of getting my bearings, breaking in these new tires. They're freaking awesome. I'm up here on top of the parking garage right now. I'm shooting some shots, that kind of thing. And you know, looking at these tires, they're not even broken in yet. They still have a couple hundred more miles before they're really ready. I haven't driven them in the rain or anything, but I can attest to their quality just from the little driving that I've done. I've been getting into boost, going around corners hard, and they have not let me down once. They're not breaking loose, they are not letting go, they aren't even squeaking. So these things have a lot more to give. Now, if anyone's looking at it for like autocross tires, or just you want a serious street tire, this is such a good way to go. I honestly, before I got this car, started this project, I really didn't care too much about tires, but as I did some more research, it's the only thing connecting you to the road, only thing putting your power down onto pavement. So as far as a performance upgrade, these things are huge, and I want to give a huge shout out to Yokohama for sponsoring these tires, and then letting me introduce them to you guys and talk about them, because it's so cool when a company gets involved and takes an interest in a build like mine, and then I can talk to you guys about these tires from personal experience and give you an honest review of them. If I got these tires and I thought they were crap, believe me, I would tell you these things are crap, but I am more than happy and more than surprised with them. So I'm up here on the rooftop. You know, I'm gonna teach Abby how to drive stick today. I'm gonna have a video of that. We're gonna do some reveal, that sort of thing. The car's looking great. Build is nearing completion, and I think it's gonna be just overall a really good car to drive daily. I'm gonna post as many uploads as I can sort of regularly, but until then, guys, thanks for watching.
You show the lights, what's stop me, turn to star on you, shine me when I'm alone. And so I tell myself that I'll be strong, dreaming when they're gone. You show the
Okay guys, you know, it's been a really long battle, and a lot longer than I expected this thing to take. I got it in December, so almost a year now, a full transformation of this car. think it's come a long way. I know it's definitely not over, but I finally have this car road legal, inspected, registered, tagged, all those good things. And it's running under its own power, leaks a little oil. You know, it needs some more tuning. I've started doing that, data logging, things like that, having Alex drive me around. And it's been a lot of fun, and I've learned a lot of things. But in the end,
I would never do it again.
No, I wouldn't say I'd never do it again.
I know.
Yeah. It took a lot more than I expected it to, and I would be acutely aware of that if we're ever to take on another project like this. So, I don't even know what I'm trying to say.
I don't know. Thanks for watching. It's been fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to upload regularly, or as often as I can still. But I don't know, it might be a little slow here. I mean, it was a little slow for the past couple weeks because I just haven't been able to do anything with school and, you know, my life and things like that. So I'm gonna try to keep uploading, keep talking about the E30, keep sharing videos with you guys. But thanks for watching this first Euro Garage build. I hope there's a few more. I hope there's I got plans for some cool classic cars, maybe some modern cars, things like that. Things I'll be working on. Yeah, Abby knows. But I have to graduate and get an apartment,
money on.
things like that.
Not
Yeah,
me.
yeah. But until then, thanks for watching, guys.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Peace.
Climb up high. Watch airplanes kiss the sky. I wanna climb up high. Watch airplanes kiss the sky.
Doesn't want to let go.
Dude, that has a lot of pickup, bro.
Yeah, it's fast.
Yeah, it is. Are you gonna try and get a dyno?
I'd like to, but it's kind of expensive. Maybe if there was a dyno day. You hear that?